Since we installed the inkjet solution, we have increased our efficiency, egg per working hour, a lot during the last year. A couple of years ago, we pack around 4,500 egg per working hour, and now we pack around 6,500 egg. DAVA Foods in Skara is one of the 3 biggest packing stations in Sweden. We handle about 1.5 million eggs per day. Earlier we have big challenges to improve our production. One of the reasons was our old print and apply solution with labels. So we decided a couple of years ago to change this solution and go for an inkjet solution. We don't need to change labels when we're in different production batches. We use the same solution on every package, which increases our production a lot. To change the ink is very fast compared to our earlier solution with labels. It will take around 30 seconds to change the ink right now, to compare with the earlier solution, which took around 5 minutes. The system is integrated in the total production flow, and it was very easy to install it. And I think one of the reasons is that every printer has quite few components per line. We are very pleased with Matthews as one of our big suppliers, and we look for other solutions in the future together with them.